Hello all dear students, so welcome back to Entropy Education. Today in this particular session we are going to discuss a term called a dimension. It may look so easy, but there are a lot of misconception in this particular term, because when you're preparing for your NEET or JEE main exam, there are two different chapters. In these two different chapters, they are describing the term dimension in two different ways. Yes, when you're studying units and measurements chapter in physics, in that particular chapter, the dimension is represented like it expresses the physical properties like force, mass, length, volume, like so and so. But when you're studying in chemistry, especially in thermodynamics chapter, in that particular chapter, the dimension term is represented as a degree of freedom. Yes, one dimensional, two dimensional, and zero dimensional. Now the thing is, what is exactly the dimension represents? Let's see. Yeah. Yes, have a closer look. The term dimension actually represented as physical dimension and geometrical dimension. There are two different types of dimension. Yes, one is physical and another one is geometrical. In a physical dimension, it exactly represents the fundamental nature of a particle, of a substance. That's why in units and measurement chapter in physics, physics chapter, you can see this, mass, a length, and time is represented as dimensions. But when you're studying in thermodynamics, in this particular chapter, the dimension is represented as a geometrical dimension. So in geometrical dimension means how the object can move freely. Yes, that's especially it's represented as a degree of freedom. Yes. Okay. So degree of freedom. Yes, it's called geometrical dimension. Okay, that's why we are often called it as one-dimensional, two-dimensional, and three-dimensional, even zero dimension. Zero dimension means it's dot, and one dimension means it's a line, and 2D means it's a surface, and 3D means it's a volume, like okay, length, height, and breadth. Okay, so that's the reason. So dimension, it's a term which is represented as two different things. Okay, so physical dimension and geometrical dimension. Hope you got my point. If you have any confusions or any doubts, you can feel free to ask me in this comment section, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you on next session. Bye.